Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Brain Trigger. So in today's video, we will be talking about all the information you need to know about NTSE. This series will consist of two videos. In the first video, we'll be talking about what is NTSE, what is the syllabus for NTSE, what is the pattern of the examination, and much more. So, what is NTSE? NTSE or National Talent Search Examination is a national level scholarship examination conducted by NCERT for the students of class 10th. It is generally conducted in two stages. Stage 1 is conducted by the state government of the state in which you are studying in. In this video, we will be mainly talking about the Stage 1 NTSE examination. Now, we'll be talking about the pattern of the NTSE Stage 1 examination. It consists of two papers. The first paper, mental ability paper, having 100 questions and 2 hours to solve it. There is no negative marking and 1 mark is awarded for each correct answer. Similarly, SAT also has 100 questions with 40 questions for science, physics, chemistry, biology, and 40 questions for social, history, geography, economics, and business studies, and 20 questions for math. You again get 2 hours to solve this paper. There is no negative marking and you get 1 mark for each correct answer. So this was the pattern. Now I'll be discussing about the syllabus and the books for the NTSE Stage 1 examination. For math, the syllabus includes verbal and non-verbal reasoning. For math, I would highly recommend the R.S. Agarwal book, and you must practice a lot of previous year question papers of your own state and from other states too. For SAT, for social, I would recommend the State Board and CBSE books for class 9 and class 10th. For science, I would recommend the class 9 and class 10 CBSE books. You can also do the class 9 and class 10 State Board books. There's no worries about that. Same here for math. You can also do the CBSE books only for class 10th, or you can do the State Board books for class 10th. I would prefer CBSE books over State Board books because they contain more information, and in case any difficult questions come and you're prepared from the CBSE book, you can perform better and have more of an open mind. These are the topics that come under verbal reasoning and mental ability. The important topics are clocks, calendars, and inserting missing characters. Inserting missing characters is one of the most difficult topics in mental ability, as there is no formula to master this particular topic, or there is no easy understanding through which you can easily get it. Practice is the key to succeed in this particular topic. Now we will be discussing the non-verbal reasoning under mental ability. The important topics here are dices, cubes, mirror images, and water images. These are comparatively easy than the verbal reasoning questions. Now we are talking about the scholastic aptitude test. First, we'll talk about science. For science, both class 9th and 10th topics of CBSE or State Board are important. Now you're able to see the class 10th topics. The important of them are light, electricity, magnetic effects of electric current, how do organisms reproduce, control and coordination, periodic classification of elements, metals and non-metals, carbon and its compounds. Now you're able to see the 9th class science topics. For physics, I would say all the physics chapters are very important. In case of biology, the fundamental unit of life, tissues, and diversity in living organisms are very important chapters. In case of chemistry, atoms and molecules and structure of atoms are very important chapters. Now we are talking about mathematics. For mathematics, only class 10th maths is enough. So you're able to see all the chapters. And one more thing that I want to tell you is that there is no questions that's going to come from constructions. For mathematics, you just need to have a good grip over your formulas and do as many as questions possible for practice. Now we are talking about social. So for social, I can tell you that 50% of the questions come from 10th and 9th CBSE NCERT book and 10th and 9th State Board book of the state in which you are writing the examination. But the remaining 50% of the questions are not really sure where they can come from. They can either come from 5th, 6th, 7th state board or CBSE books. So in order to stay in the safer side and get a better advantage, you can go through the previous year question papers and see from which type of dynasty they've asked most of the questions, about which country they've asked most of the questions, and you can judge and get to a conclusion and study only that dynasty or only about that country in particular and score good in SST. Before I conclude, I would just like to say a few more things. Mental ability and social form an important pillar for your NTSE Stage 1 selections. So do a large number of question practices from mental ability, and social, make sure you're thorough with your NCRT book and your state board book and practice many previous year question papers. I guess that's it for today. In the next video, I will be talking about how to prepare for NTSE. If you have any suggestions or queries, please do put it in the comment section. If you like it, please give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and smash the bell icon for future updates about the content that I'll be posting. And if you like the video, please share it with your friends. Thank you so much for your valuable time.